stop scrolling. If you need an extra $200 this week, this is the video I wish I found sooner. In the next few months, the highest income earners won't be engineers, programmers, or freelancers. It will be the AI-powered people. Today, I'm giving you 9 AI plays you can copy right now to build real income from zero. I'm showing the exact sites, the prompt, the deliverable, and how to get your first paying client. The last one is the secret agency's hide. Don't miss it. Hit like and subscribe so you don't lose this. 1. AI Ops with GPT-4o or Gemini, $50, $200 an hour. Small businesses don't want chat. They want outcomes. Clean inbox, weekly reports, slide decks, product mock-ups. Prompt. CEO summary in 60 seconds, package as a $499-month retainer. 1 client covers your bills. 2. AI copywriting with Jasper or Hoppy Copy, $500 per 5 email sequence. Use the Revive Dead Leads prompt set to write, A/B test, and format emails in minutes. Deliver a polished Google Doc and charge for strategy, not typing. 3. AI video creation with Pictory or Runway, $200 per promo video. Local cafes, gyms, salons need vertical ads now. Workflow, script, stock clips, captions, export. 5 variations. Sell as a $499. 4. AI graphic design with Canva, AI or Leonardo, $50 or $500 per design. Logos, brand kits, thumbnail sets, delivered same day. Use the 3-prompt system to create logo plus palette plus mockups. Upsell a social kit for an extra $149. Fast delivery equals repeat clients. 5. AI voice plus music with ElevenLabs and Suno, $100 per voiceover, plus passive income from music clone. A friendly voice, offer 24-hour delivery on Fiverr, and batch 10 scripts before lunch. Add background AI music for podcasts and ads. If these plays are hitting, tap like and subscribe. I'm dropping the exact prompt pack and outreach script at the end so you can start today. 6. AI automations with Zapier plus AI, $1,000 plus per setup plus $200 monthly maintenance. Build workflows like website form, Google Sheet, AI reply, calendar booking. Set once, test live, charge high. 7. AI dashboards with ChatGPT plus Sheets, $150, $250 per project. Import client CSV. AI finds trends. Build KPI dashboard plus 1-page insights report. Deliverable EOS link on their phone. Businesses pay for clarity. 8. AI website building with Durable or 10 Web, $500, $5,000 per site. Launch in 60 seconds, personalize copy and images, add booking form. Sell website in a day, and upsell hosting updates for $29 month. 9. Secret weapon. Autonomous AI agents. $99-month recurring per client. AI agent scrapes leads nightly, drafts personalized emails, and books calls straight to your calendar. Package as done-for-you lead engine. Just 10 clients, it's $990 month while you sleep. I'm giving you the prompts, the templates, and the exact outreach message I use so you can get your first client this week. Like this video, subscribe, and tell me which AI play you're starting with. Then watch me build one live in the next upload.